low-carb chicken taquitos. Add some chicken broth to your slow cooker along with 4 chicken breasts, homemade taco seasoning, a can of Rotel, the juice of 1 lime, and a handful of cilantro. Slow cook on low for 8 hours and then shred it. Next, tear your cut-to-carve flatbreads into thirds. Add your meat and cheese to the strips and roll them up. You can air fry these, bake these, cook them in a skillet with a little bit of oil, or on your Blackstone like I did. I browned them on all sides, and then we dipped ours in some homemade cheese dip.